I recently seen a comment in the comment section from somebody that said they pay 85% of their pledge loan down. And this is not the first time I've seen this. I've seen multiple people leave that type of comment in the comment section saying they pay 80 to 90% of their pledge loan down. And when I did the pledge loan, I seen a video out there. I see one video that's saying pay 80 to 90% of your pledge loan down too. But I never listened to that person because I'm like, that's dumb. Why would I do that? You know, that would make any type of sense. Why would I just shoot 80 to 90% down the next day? That's weird. And I'm going to tell you why in this video. Like, don't do that. That's not the way you should use the pledge loan. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. Now, what is a pledge loan? A pledge loan is money you put up as collateral to get a loan. You make up the terms and you use that typically to build credit, all right? Or rebuild credit. That's pretty much it. Now, who will want a pledge loan? Typically, people that actually want a pledge loan, you want to change up your credit profile. If you don't have no installment loan, you want to have a credit mix. You want to build credit or rebuild credit. And with this pledge loan, it's a pretty good thing too, because it looks like a regular loan on your credit report. It's not like it says pledge loan or secure loan on your credit report. So now you look even more credible because you look like you have a real unsecured loan when you really have a secure loan on your credit report. And also build your payment history, build your relationship with that particular bank, which is Navy Federal. So it's a win-win-win. I actually got my secure loan back in September 2020. All right, you see it's not, it ain't hit my credit report yet. Look at my score in the 5s. Now the secure loan actually is hitting my credit report. Here it is right here. Details, 6 months. Look at the payment, $335. You want a big payment too. I'll tell you why. It was a fixed rate, so the secure loan don't look like a secure loan on your credit report. So it's $2,000, 6 months. My score, did it drop even more? No. Now here's my Navy Federal secure loan. I actually paid it off. Look at the payment history, paid it on time. And the details, boom. Paid it off. Now look at my score now. 681. 658, 655. Now, in May now, I got a real Navy Federal loan. A real loan, everything like that. Just got it. $10,000. Look at my score. 681, 659, 659. So as you can see, getting a new account as far as a secure loan, it doesn't hurt your score, all right? So you don't need to pay 80, 90% off. Even getting a new loan, $10,000, I didn't put no money on it, extra money. I ain't put 80, 90% on it and pay it down. It didn't hurt my score, all right? And this is one of the biggest arguments with this 80, 90% hack. It doesn't make any sense. If you get a car loan, do you pay off 80 to 90% off the next day? If you get a regular personal loan, do you pay 80 to 90% off the next day? You get a home equity loan, do you pay 80 to 90% off the next day? Like a secure loan, you're supposed to use it like how you would use a real life loan, a real unsecured loan. You want a big payment if you could have it. I did 6 months term, so my payment was high. I did $2,000. I put $2,000 up as collateral, so I had a $335 loan. And like I said, these secure loans look like a real legitimate loan. So from the outside looking in of another bank looking at you, you can manage money. You have credit cards and you got that loan and you're paying $335 a month. Wow. We don't need no docs for you because you can handle $335 and we giving you a $10,000 loan and there's only $200 something, so you could definitely do this, So that's why you don't want no little baby payment per month. From the outside looking in, you're looking at this guy pay $10, $20. Do you trust him with a $20,000 loan? Do you trust him with a $30,000 loan? It's not gonna be $20 a month. It's not gonna be $10 a month. It's gonna be a few hundred. So you might as well have your credit report reflect that. you want to have a pattern with the bank. The bank want to see a pattern. They want to see you make these payments on time for a period of time to the end of the term. If you pay it off early, cool. But just paying it off the next day or paying 90% off the next day don't make any type of sense. The bank actually looks at us as customers too. That's why they charge us interest. So if a bank sees you paying 80 to 90% off every single loan that you get, why would they want to give you a loan for it so they get $4 in interest? So if you learned a little something, give me one of these. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll talk to you on the next one, all right? Level up.